If you love exotic fruits but hate the usual fare, then get ready to be amazed by the stinking toe. The stinking toe is the fruit of the West Indian locust, one of the largest trees in the Caribbean. When you crack open its tough brown pod, you're greeted with a smell that's, well, let's just say unique. But don't let that put you off. Inside, you'll find a creamy, powdery flesh that's sweet like powdered sugar. This fascinating fruit, also known as Hymenaea corboril, has roots deep in the cultures of South America and the Caribbean. Indigenous tribes and locals have been enjoying its nutritional and medicinal benefits for centuries. In Jamaica, the stinking toe is a hidden gem packed with vitamin A, iron, and even boasting antimicrobial properties. It's an appetite enhancer, and according to some, an aphrodisiac. So next time you come across a stinking toe, remember, it may smell funny, but it's a tropical treasure worth tasting. Would you give it a try? Let me know in the comments.